Determine without graphing whether the function has a maximum value or minimum value, and then find the value. Also find the range of f. Okay, this is a quadratic function, and when we graph this function we get a parabola, something like opening up or opening down. Okay, if it opens up we'll have minimum, if it opens downward we get maximum, and this point is in fact the vertex of the function. Okay, that's the vertex, and the value will be the corresponding y value, hk. K will be the maximum or minimum value. That is determined from the leading coefficient. Here is x square means 1x squared, so there is 1, and which is a positive number. So when we have a positive number we'll have graph like this, opening up. Okay, not this one. It's like x square. We know how to graph x square, right? So 1x squared, so this leading coefficient here is positive, so we'll have opening up graph, so we get minimum. So the answer is then it has a minimum, the function a minimum value. And to determine the minimum value or maximum value we need to find the vertex of this parabola, okay, of this quadratic function. So we need to put this in the standard form. The standard form is y equals a times quantity x minus h squared plus k. So we want to write this function in this form. Now y equals x squared plus 6x minus 8. We need to complete the square in the right hand side, so x squared plus bx, and we know when we have x squared plus bx, to complete the square all we have to do is we add half of b, so b over 2 quantity squared, and when we add we have a trinomial, so when we factor it becomes a quantity square of x plus b over 2. So we have x squared plus bx, so b is in this case 6, so half of b squared, so b over 2 is squared, half of 6 is 3, 3 squared 9, so we need to add 9 to the both sides to make it equal. So we have two sides, we can think this, so add 9, 9, or we could have added plus 9 and subtract 9 in one side, same thing. So in the left side y plus 9 equals, now we're gonna keep these three terms together, x squared plus 6x plus 9, and this should give us a perfect square minus 8. That's from the question. We factor this and it should come out to be a quantity square. We can check here, so we just factor and write down quantity square, x squared plus 6x plus 9, x squared x 9, 3 times 3 9, 3 and 3 make 6, plus 3 plus 3, and we need to write in a standard form y equals, so plus 9 should be moved to the right side, so subtract 9. Okay, so instead of adding plus 9 both sides, we could have done just in the right side plus 9 and minus 9. Okay, so y equals, now this is a quantity square, x plus 3 x plus 3 x plus 3 quantity square minus 8 minus 9, add, so minus 17. So this is in the standard form. Now we have the vertex, though it's not asked, let me write down the vertex hk. Okay, so that will be, this should be written x minus h, but we have plus 3, so x plus 3 is same as x minus negative 3, so this is x minus negative 3, so negative 3 is h, k plus negative 17, so negative 17 is k, and this is the maximum minimum value, in this case minimum value. So the mean value is this k part, -17. So the graph has the minimum -17 and is opening up. So minimum is -17 level and it goes all the way. So that's the range. So the range will be -7 all the way. That is also asked. The range of f, range of the function is minimum is -17 and it goes all the way to infinity.